Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Venmo notifications for payments, requests, or account alerts on your iPhone is exactly where to turn them back on. Two places to check in your iPhone settings. First, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down to the installed app list until you see Venmo. Tap on it and then tap notifications. Make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If the toggle is gray, tap to turn it green. Now, look at the alert style section directly below and make sure it is set to banners or alerts and not none. If it says none, notifications are technically enabled but will never appear on your screen. Also, turn off sounds and badges below that. After fixing those, go back to the top of the settings and then tap focus. Go through each focus mode you have set up. Sleep, do not disturb, tap each one. Then tap apps and check that Venmo is not listed in the silenced app. If it's in that list, remove it. After all of these changes, also check that Venmo itself shows an active notification source by going back to the settings, notifications and scrolling to find Venmo. So all you gotta do is go to settings, then Venmo and allow notifications on. Set to banners, check focus modes, Venmo alerts will come through. Subscribe for more Venmo tips.